Welcome to the Blake UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about our new high gain 48 element Tribeam Aerial. Made for digital freeview reception in medium to weak signal areas, it has a gain of 16 dBi. A large reflector provides a front to back ratio greater than 16 dB and it has excellent 4G LTE signal rejection. It's designed with an easy tilt mast lamp and comes part assembled for quick installation. It uses a screw-on F for secure cable connection. Assembling the aerial. Expand the 3 aerial booms. Remove the screw on the back of the aerial where the 3 booms are secured and push the plastic spacers together so the holes match up. Insert the screw through the hole on the plastic spacer and screw in using a flathead screwdriver. This will hold the plastic spacers in place. Repeat step B with the plastic spacer joining the booms together in the middle of the booms. Assemble the dipole on the single boom at the rear end of the aerial. Remove the bolt and position the dipole into place. Then replace the bolt and tighten. Push the reflector sections into the rear triangular plastic housing at the back of the aerial, ensuring both spring buttons are located back through the hole.